None. Hi everybody, PattyAnne here. Today I'm going to show you what I got at a Dollar Tree haul the other day. The first thing that I got was these popsicle sticks. They're a little bigger than the usual popsicle stick, and I thought they'd be handy to have. Not a great deal, $1 for 100 of them, but I needed some of these larger ones. I also got a bunch of ribbons, and these are going to be fun to put on some of my characters that I make. Two different kinds of bling, a gold and a silver. And I got some ribbons for Valentine's Day that are pretty. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to use this little bow maker that I have, and I'm going to make some bows for some of my characters. In the next video, I'll show you how I do this. Right now, my son is cutting me another one of these rods because I lost one. This didn't come from the Dollar Tree. I bought this a long time ago. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, you get 3 for $1. Really cute bags. All different colors they have there, but I wanted to get pink because I thought maybe I'd do maybe a pretty pony or Care Bear theme or something. I'm not sure what on these. And what I got to go inside of them is this stuff. Isn't that cool? And I'm going to put it inside of these bags and then put my figure down in there. And my phone's ringing. I'm going to have to ignore it. The last thing that I got was this curtain liner. It's clear, and I thought this would be really fun if your kids have like a shower that they use all the time or something like that, to decorate it in vinyl that they like. So I'm going to try this out. I'll let you know how it works. So that's it. That was my haul for yesterday. Okay, I'm down here at the table and I'm going to show you how to make these bows. They're really very cute. One thing I do need to caution you about is that you want to make sure that if your bow is directional, that you pay attention to that. Otherwise, your hearts will be upside down like that. So I'm going to make one that's a little smaller, and depending on where you put these pegs, that'll determine how big your bow is. But here's the thing, if you don't have money to buy one, maybe I was thinking that you could use, if you have children, their Play-Doh, get a big wad of Play-Doh, and just, if you can find some pencils, just stick some pencils down into the Play-Doh. I think that would hold them long enough to make the bow. So if you give it a try and it works, let me know. So what I do is I cut about a piece about 12 inches long of the bow or the ribbon. This one, as I said, is from the Dollar Tree, and it's polyester. It is 5/8 inches wide by 3 yards or 9 feet. So if it's 9 feet, that means I can make 9 bows out of this $1 spool of ribbon. So I'm going to cut a piece that's 12 inches long. Okay. And then what you do is now again, this is the one that's directional. I don't want my hearts upside down like that. So I'm going to put my hearts right side up around the back of the pegs, come towards the front. Then I'm going to put the right over the left. And then, like I'm tying my shoes, right over the left, and then go under everything. Under it all, so it comes out the back. And pull this one, and then bring it to the front. And now this is in my left hand, but I'm going to switch it over into my right hand just because it's easier for me. Pull this tight, and then I'm just going to make the knot. So I'm going to make like the loop right in here and put this piece through. Now I do want to, before I pull it tight, I want to make sure that my ribbon is twisted the way I want it to be twisted, meaning that rather than the back side of my ribbon showing the front is. So I'm going to start pulling it taut, making sure that it's facing the way I want it to. And that's pretty much it. You just take it off, maybe remove a peg and then the other peg. And look at that bow that you can make within minutes, within seconds. So this was a 12-inch piece of ribbon, and the bow ended up being about, the bow from bow part to bow part is about 2¼ inches wide. And you can adjust it, like I said, depending on where you put the pegs or how far apart you put them in your Play-Doh, if that works. So that's it. Easy peasy. Easy way to make bows to embellish all of your projects. I just thought of something else that I could do. The other day I made a haul of a whole bunch of these rolls of tulle at a local thrift store. All different colors. And these work perfectly to make really pretty bows. Watch this, you guys. So I just take about 12 inches again, I guess. Kind of squinch this up to cut it. And then just do the same technique. So I'm going to make a larger bow, kind of like this red one. Isn't that adorable? Wouldn't that be pretty on a princess picture or a card? Okay, so I'm going to just do the same thing. So I start from the back, do right over left, go underneath all of it, come to the front, and switch hands so that I can use this one, my right one again, to make that little hole right there, kind of like tying your shoe. Put that up through there and just pull it. And look at that. Look how fast that pretty bow is. Now that is a pretty bow right there. I don't know how well you can see it, but it is really pretty. And if I wanted to, I could kind of spread this out to make it larger. And okay, there is something else that you could do. If you had a larger piece, you could go around, well, let's say this. If I was doing this, I could take this ribbon and go around here once. Let's see, right over left, go to the back, come to the front again, right over left, and then do the same whole technique. But my ribbon's not big enough. But it would just make a larger bow if I had enough to tie. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.